guys, it's me Coco, and today I have a very special guest with me, my best friend Freya.
Hi guys, and today it's slime.
Saturday.
Well, we make slime, and I also got a channel called Freya Mountain, and I also do Slime Saturday. Don't check it out now because I haven't done really good videos. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell. Notifications bell. And today we made slime. It's my first time making slime.
I taught her how to make it.
Yeah. And we got some shaving cream.
Freya, it's the wrong way.
Oh wait. Shaving cream. That way, because we have fluffy slime, and sometimes it goes very sticky.
Freya, do you think we should tell them the ingredients like that they can make it at their house?
Stop getting slime in my hair! Okay, yeah, we should tell them the ingredients.
Okay, first,
If you want to make a really big one, get 4 bottles of glue. We recommend Elmer's glue.
yeah, it's the one that we used.
Yeah. And also Whip Express.
But the liquid one.
Yeah. Whip Express detergent. And then just take a tablespoon.
It's your decision if you want to make it fluffy. If you want to make it fluffy, you have to put shaving cream in.
And we use this one. And look. So, this is how it would transform. You see it's already sticking to my hands already. Let's see. There. Sticky. Oh, I think I've got some slime in my mouth. It won't kill me though.
Freya, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
And then with this, just put the shaving cream in. Put it around. And you see? And you see? Doesn't stick to me anymore. I'll stop making that
What
noise.
the hell?
Okay.
Okay.
And right now,
Guys, look. I'm putting sun cream on it.
it's actually not sun cream, guys. Don't get confused. It's shaving cream.
There we go.
So do this.
Oh my god, this looks so cool.
So our friend,
And it's so cool.
our friend Devon, she has some sign for the Chinese shop, and she always does this. It's not good, not as good as ours.
It's not even good.
Okay. Well, she's actually really rude up to us at school. Let me have you a little tour around the house. Oh my god. Coco's her camera messy.
Okay, I'll give him a
This
tour.
is the pool. Yep, and let's
Okay, that's... I have 2 pools, as you can see. And that's my house over there.
yeah.
Freya, stop getting slime in my hair.
I'm sorry.
I have a ping pong table. I have a trampoline. I have a tree house. I have a caravan. Loads and loads of stuff.
I just can't stop playing with this.
Oh yeah, let me show you how I play things over here.
You were probably told by the video. House right now.
Okay, we're just Look, I'm going up this one. Whoa! Ooh, I'm about to fall off.
Yeah, 2 kids in our class. Please hit that like button and subscribe because I really want some support. Seriously. We also will do.
Oh my god, there's slime on my hand.
I'm also going to do some Spanish videos for the Spanish ones in my school. So big shout out for that. Probably going to do some gaming videos and art tutorials, makeup tutorials. What do you guys think? comment down below if you have another idea for me to do something.
And look, comment down below if you think. Look, we have two best friends that are boys called Danny and Howard. And what do you think is we do their makeup? Comment down below.
Or should we prank them?
Yeah.
That we really hurt our eye, and that one of Coco's cats scratched our eye. Let's see what their expressions will be. So, big shout out for them. They're also going to turn into YouTuber. They're not yet, but when they do, I'll tell you in one of my videos. And Howard might be called Howard Beach Skates.
Freya, you can't see your head. Okay, now you can.
Okay. Now, let's go back also to the video. There might be part 2 later. We might do one. And comment down below what we should do. Okay. Yep. So.
Okay, is this slime or shaving cream? What do you think it is?
Oh, let me say. You can comment down below that as well.
Comment down below what do you think it is, slime or shaving cream?
We also really like support, and we just started being YouTubers, so it'll be so good if we already had lots of support. You can tell us what we can do and stuff, and it'll just be very lovely for us.
And we will do soon.
Yeah.
Is that one agrees?
If
Literally, she's a scared cat. Sorry, no offense.
when
Don't take it personal.
when the boys have a YouTube channel, hopefully they don't do a prank on us while they're on camera. Okay, if you go and check out the boys when they're like doing their channel, immediately tell us if they're doing a prank on us, if they're planning one.
Yeah, please do that. So
Yeah, because then we can just catch them and we'll get them back.
Yeah.
So, bye guys, that was kind of a short video. Well, actually it was pretty long. And soon I'll come up with some gaming. Hey, put your thumb away from the camera.
sorry.
Freya,
I'm getting slime on me.
do you like lemons or oranges? Because she has a lemon tree and an orange tree. You can give you one if you like.
And soon we'll be opening squishies too. And comment down below what do you think we should do.
We also will be in a VR, maybe.
Yeah, we should do VR videos because I have one.
And sorry that we're doing this because we're just filming on Coco's iPad right now, and we should normally just do it with a computer setup, like a setup. But like we said, we're new to our channel, so we haven't got everything yet. We didn't expect so much. And I'm just going to get some shaving cream. Bye guys.
Bye.